Page 89, book 4B. Look at your screens, please. The lines in each of the following figures meet at a right angle. The line in each of the following figures meet at a right angle. Find the perimeter and area of each figure. We have to find perimeter and area of each figure. The figure are not drawn to scale. How can we find the perimeter of this line? How can we find area of each figure? We have to find the perimeter and area. We have to find area and perimeter of each figure. First of all, we have to find the area of this one. To do, first of all, we will find the area of this figure. We will write area of figure A is equals to 8 multiplied by 5. That is the figure A and this is the figure B. We will get 40 centimeter. Area of figure B. You have to write with me page 89 of workbook 4B. Figure B is equals to 18 multiplied by 6. That is equals to 108. So we have to find total area. Total area is equals to figure A plus figure B. What should we do? 108 plus 40 is equals to 148 centimeter square is the area. Now you got it? You got it, grade 4? Then how did we find this? Now you have got my point. Page number 89, book 4B. Perimeter of figure A is equals to 5 plus 8 plus 5 plus 8. Length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. This one. Perimeter of figure A, length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Okay, we have to find like this. That is equals to 26. So perimeter of figure B is equals to 18 plus 6, length plus breadth, length plus breadth. That is equals to 48. When you add 62 and 26 and 48, we have to add all the sides. Okay, when we have to add all the sides, we will get the perimeter. You have done till here. You have done till here. यहाँ तक कर लिया आपने? This one. 26 perimeter of figure A find कर लिया. Perimeter of figure B find कर लिया. Now we have to do something like that. When we add these two values, it will get 74. But perimeter should be 62 because we have to subtract these things. अगर हम इनको ऐड करते लाइक 18 हमने जैसे 2 टाइम्स ऐड किया, यहाँ पे तो 18 सेंटीमीटर नहीं है ना, तो इसको हमें 2 टाइम्स ऐड नहीं करना चाहिए. तो वी हैव टू रिमूव दिस 2 फ्रॉम हियर. इट विल गेट 72. देन वी हैव टू रिमूव द वैल्यू कि जो यहाँ से रिमूव होगी तो हमारे पास आंसर आएगा 62 सेंटीमीटर. You will write that is 74 because this is not given but we have added over here. What should we do? What should we do? We have to remove this thing, this one. Look here, grade 4. This is 5 centimeter, 8 centimeter. What will be the value of this one? Because these two lines are equal, that should be the 5 centimeter. ये भी 5 centimeter होगा ना बेटे? Okay. Can you see this figure? अगर ये पूरा 18 है, look at your screens. If it is the whole value is 18, तो इसको कितना होना चाहिए? If it is 8 centimeter. अब 8 centimeter, grade 4, keep the thing in your mind कि ये वाला जो 2 है, ये 18 है, वो यहाँ से start हो रहा है और 8 centimeter यहाँ से है. It means हम 18 में से 6 को माइनस करेंगे. ठीक है? 18 में से इस 2 को माइनस हमने किया तो हमारे पास 6 सेंटीमीटर रह गया. 6 सेंटीमीटर 18 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, वी विल गेट 12. 6 सेंटीमीटर का बॉक्स है बेटे. दैट इज लुक हियर, आपको थोड़ा सा कंसंट्रेट करना पड़ेगा, आपको समझ आ जाएगी। ये 2 सेंटीमीटर गिवन है आपको, ठीक है? गॉट इट ग्रेड 4? 2 सेंटीमीटर गिवन है। अब जो 18 सेंटीमीटर का बॉक्स है वो यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, फ्रॉम हियर। या ये वाला पोर्शन नहीं आएगा, इट मींस कि हम 8 में से 2 को माइनस कर देंगे, 8 में से 2 को माइनस करेंगे, देन वी हैव इट इज स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम हियर, राइट? 8 को 2 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो बेटे ये बॉक्स स्टार्ट होगा ना, इफ यू आर गेटिंग माय पॉइंट। गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? यस, ठीक है। तो अब इस स्क्वायर को कंप्लीट करने के लिए कि हाउ मच ऑफ हाउ मच दिस स्क्वायर इज, हम 18 में से इस 6 सेंटीमीटर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो हमारे पास ये वैल्यू आएगी। ये जो इतना पोर्शन हमारे पास फ्री है ना, वी डोंट नो दिस पोर्शन, राइट? Grade 4, we don't know this portion. Got it? Yes. So when we have subtracted 86 from 18, we will get 12, 6 as it is, 18 as it is, 2 as it is. This 2 and this 2. Now add all the values and tell me the answer. You will get 62. ये इसको label कीजिए ऐसे. You all have to label like this. And this is of 2 centimeter. Label कीजिए. अब ऐड कीजिए 5, 8, 5, 12, 6, 18, 6 and 2. Then you will get your answer. 62. That is how you will get. आपने simply लिख देना यहाँ पे इस तरह से, perimeter is equals to 62 by adding these value. अब इसको लेबल कीजिए इस तरह से, इसको इस तरह से कट कीजिए, इसका पार्टीशन कीजिए और इसको लेबल कीजिए। यहाँ पे आपका आएगा 18 minus 6 is equals to 12. Done? You all have done? Page 92 पे आइए। A swimming pool was built on a rectangle. A swimming pool was built on a rectangular plot of land. A swimming pool was built on a rectangular plot, that is built on a rectangular plot of land. The plot of land measured 50 meter by 23 meter. The plot of land measured 50 meter by 23 meter. That is 50 meter by 23 meter. A 3 meter path was left. 3 meter path was left. This 3 meter left. This 3 meter left. Okay. Around the pool, we have left around the pool 3 meter path. What is the area covered by the pool? We have to find the area of this value, the covered by the pool. What should we do? 50, that is the total area. Grade 4, look here. 50, that is the total area. We have to subtract this 3 from it and this. One side of length and one side of breadth. From the 50, 3 meter we have to remove from this side, this one and this one, of the length and breadth. Of the length and breadth. 50 minus 3 meter is equals to 44 meter. You got my point, grade 4? When we have subtracted this 3 meter and this 3 meter from 44, from 50 we will get 44. Now we are going to work in the breadth. That was the length and this is the breadth. Same is the case with breadth. We have to subtract this 3 and this 3. Breadth, breadth, length, length. Got it? 23 meter breadth minus 3 meters. 3 meters equals to 17 meters. You have got my point, grade 4. Breadth में से हम दोनों breadth subtract कर रहे हैं, length में से दोनों length subtract कर रहे हैं. Got it? तो हमारे पास covered area आ गया. Now we have to find the area of the covered area. 44 multiplied by 17 is equals to 248. 44 length multiplied by breadth is equals to 248 meters square. That is your answer, area covered by the pool. Now you have got my point. Is there any difficulty? आपके पास length given है, that is 50. Length में से 3 meter हमने subtract किया because they are saying we have left. Left means उन्होंने left means subtraction. 3 length में से this length. 50 में से subtract किया, we will get 44. Same is the case with 23. We have left this one and this one. We have left 17. Length multiplied by breadth हमने किया, we will get the answer 248 meters square. That's it. Now we have to find what is the area of land that is, now they are saying what is the area of land that is not covered by the pool. Now we have to find the area of this one. This one, not covered by the pool, not this one. 50, that is 50 is given, multiply by 23. We simply have to multiply these values, we will get 1150. When we subtract the uncovered area from the covered area, we will get our answer, that is 402 meters square. Area of land not covered is equal to 402 meters square. Do it. Page 94, question number 5. A piece of wire is cut into two equal pieces. One piece is used to form a square. Okay. One piece is used to form a square. एक piece इस्तेमाल किया गया square बनाने के लिए. The other piece is used to form a rectangle. दूसरे piece को इस्तेमाल किया गया rectangle बनाने के लिए. You got my point? What is the length of rectangle form? हमने length of rectangle form करनी है. First we have to find the area of square. The perimeter of square 5 centimeter multiplied by 4 is equals to 20. 5 multiplied by 4 is equals to 20. 20 में से हम जब 2 को subtract करेंगे this 2, because हमने rectangle की length find करनी है. When we have subtracted 2 times from this side and that side, this side and that side, 20 minus 2 is equals to 16 centimeter. Same is the case. जब हमारे पास 16 centimeter आ गया, what should we do? We have to divide 16 with 2 because rectangle has two opposite sides equal. उसकी दो opposite sides equal होती हैं. That's why we have to divide 16 with 2. तो हमारे पास एक side का length आ जाएगा. Got it?